Hey, let's say you have a query. You given that query to the model. How do you know which model given the best response? Like you given that query to Google Crow, like Google Gemini, then OpenAI, then Anthropic, then Grok. But how do you know which model given the best answer? So this person who built ChatGPT, so Karpati, so he got the same thought. He created one approach, like one project. Interesting thing is he did it in 48 hours. It's a vibe coding project. So that project is LLM Council. What it will tell you is, let's say you have a query like prompt that it will pass to all the models like Gemini, OpenAI, Anthropic, and Grok. So they call it as so council models. They call it as council models. After that, one chairman model will be there. Chairman model is like he's the head. So each model will give one response, right? Some response. So they all debate with each other, like what is the pros and what is the cons of each responses and etc. Finally they come up with one optimized response. So that will be decided by the chairman model. You can see this, and then it will give the response. So in that way you will get the optimized response. So this is one of the interesting thought he implemented around 2 months back, couple of months back. You can check this repository. So Karpati hyphen LLM underscore council, hyphen council. So you'll get the GitHub repo and everything. So it's really interesting approach and thought process, right? Um, so instead of worrying like what model given the best and what model, so let models decide like what is the best response. Instead of we are evaluating the response, models itself are evaluating, and itself they are refining and they're giving the optimized response. It's interesting, right? So you can see this, the author itself, like the person itself mentioned it's a 99% vibe coded. He did it on Sunday as a fun Sunday, so he just implemented his thought. He clearly mentioned in the readme. So you can see this. And he clearly mentioned, of course you have to provide the API, and you have to give the whatever the models you want to implement, right? That you have to provide. Based on that it will execute and it will return the response. We'll see you. I hope you got some interesting zest, and we'll see you in the next shot.